What is going on, everybody? Godzilla Options here with your weekly setups for February 13th, 2023. Got Valentine's Day coming up. I hope you're going to take some of this money that you get in the stock market and share it with a loved one or me. Anyway, let's get into those setups. We got an outside bar down to start off with AMC. Again, I am not touching this one with a 10-foot pole just because the apes are still kind of around, so I'm going to leave it alone. But AMC did finish on a down day, big down day with that outside, or down week with that outside bar down. We got PMG the upside, still waiting for PFE and healthcare in general to kind of make some sort of move up. Hasn't done that. 2-1 setup with MU, always fun to trade MU. Be careful if you try to get into it early on in the morning. Spreads on those options are usually pretty high, so just be aware of that. But that 1 week consolidation there definitely gives me the impression that we could see either a reversal or more downside. Definitely go chart it out, and that's actually going to be one of my setups that I'm going to be looking at in the weekly watch on my YouTube channel, so make sure you go check that out over the weekend here. We have an outside bar up with CVS, so this is the one that did get a little bit of life this week. Took out the previous week's highs and lows and ended up a little bit higher. So what are we going to see next week? I'm going to be looking for a 2-bar break to the upside there. Otherwise, no play for me with CVS. Otherwise, the other thing that we could see with CVS is just consolidation. We typically see that a lot after an outside bar move. So then we have our 1-2 down rev strats with pretty much the EV section here. So NIO and LCID, and then Visa kind of getting in there with the financials, making that 2 down week. So what we're looking for with that rev strat is a 2-up move from the next week. So chart your level there on the high and low of this previous week here, this current week, and make sure that if you get a 1-2-2 up reversal, that's your rev strat. So be ready for that. And then we have our 1-2 up. So that one will be a reversal to the downside if it's going to be a valid rev strat. And with XOM, our failed 2 downs with Oxy, Walmart, XLE, and XLU. So they went down and they ended green on the week. So that is actually a prime setup for a potential upside reversal. So I'm going to be looking for a 2 up there. We have our 2 down continuations with BABA and KO. And then our 2-1s here, more 2-1s inside week. So DIA, SPY, QQQ, IWM, those indexes pretty much did nothing this week. That is definitely something to be on the lookout for. Next week, we're going to be looking for a break up or down either way. So trade accordingly. And if you get into any other trades in the market, make sure that you're taking a look and seeing what DIA, QQ, SPY, and IWM are up to before you do that. And then we have our PMG, the downside, been going up, up, up. NVIDIA, Tesla, look at all these shooter candles. These are prime for a potential drop, y'all. That's really what the shooter candle tells us. So we're looking for a reversal to the downside on all of these potential ones here. NVIDIA, Tesla, CCL, D-King, U, and Disney. Disney with the full time frame continuity red. Again, we're going to be starting a new day and a new week next week, though. So the month is red. That's pretty much how we're going to look at that for now. And then we have our 3-1, again, more consolidations, just a little bit more magnitude on either side of the play with SBucks, FDX, and UAL. Our 2-up continuations, again, more shooter candles. These are telling me we got downside coming. That's really what this looks like here. So be aware there. And then our failed 2-ups with VAC and AAL. So those are going to be your weekly setups for February 13th. February 14th is Valentine's Day. Again, make sure that you tell the person that you love them. Happy trading.